Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake with paneer. First, prepare the crust by mixing 1 1/2 cups of crushed digestive biscuits with 1/4 cup of melted butter. This creates a rich, buttery base. Press this mixture firmly into a 9-inch springform pan. Then, chill it for at least 30 minutes. This step ensures a perfectly set and stable crust for your creamy filling. Now, let's create the star of our cheesecake, the paneer filling. Begin by blending 2 cups of fresh paneer until it's incredibly smooth, ensuring no lumps remain. Next, add 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of rich heavy cream, and 2 large eggs. For a delightful aroma and taste, mix in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and the bright zest of 1 lemon. This combination yields a wonderfully creamy and flavorful batter. With your filling ready, it's time to bake this masterpiece. Carefully pour the smooth paneer filling over your chilled crust in the springform pan. Place it in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 50 to 60 minutes, or until the edges are set and the center has a slight jiggle. After baking, cool it completely at room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours to achieve that perfect, firm texture. Your exquisite paneer cheesecake is now ready to be enjoyed. Gently remove it from the springform pan. For a beautiful presentation, garnish with fresh berries, a vibrant fruit compote, or a simple dusting of powdered sugar. When slicing, use a warm, sharp knife to ensure clean, elegant portions. Any leftover cheesecake can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, though it's unlikely to last that long.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.